Y'all, I started a 6-figure business around my kids' schedule. I have 3 neurodiverse children and I work part-time hours, making over 6 figures last year and the year before, reselling my items on Poshmark and eBay. I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can get started right now without any upfront costs. It's not an MLM. I am not an affiliate for any of these. I am simply just here to help you get the freedom that you deserve, regardless of why you need it. So I am Sarah from SarahStylesLLC. I sell items on Poshmark and eBay. I currently thrift items and resell them, but you can start today, and this is the first tip, you can start today with items from your house. You can start with items from people donated. Go around your house and have items that you are no longer using. It's a 0 upfront cost. And I recommend starting this way because there's no risk to it. It's something that you've already bought. You may have just donated it, and you can start to learn the process without any upfront cost and no investment to start the cost. So go around your house, figure out things that you might sell. You can look on eBay and see what they're currently selling for and see if it's worth spending your money. I'm going to link an eBay tutorial playlist up here. If you decide this is something that you want to get into, I have how-tos on eBay, how to create a listing, how to make a store, how to run a sale, all of the different things that you're going to need if this is something that you decide is right for you. But you can walk around, ask people for donations, people that are going, friends and family, hey, before you donate it, let me look through it and see if there's something that I can sell. That is the very first thing that you can do, is 0 upfront cost and look at what you have around. And then from there, do some research and watch some videos on how to sell. There's over 25 different platforms that you can sell on. Pick one. Pick one, do some research. The biggest ones are going to be eBay, Poshmark, Mercari's getting up there. Those are probably Facebook Marketplace. I know a lot of people those are probably the biggest ones, but it's going to depend on what you sell. If you have only kids clothing, Kittizens might be the best one for you. If you have a lot of really high end stuff, you may go to the Real. So do some research, pick one platform and figure out how to list on the platform, figure out how to get items to sell, how to take photos, all of those different things. Like I said, I have videos on walking you through step by step, but this is just an intro how to get started in this process because it can be very big and overwhelming. And then from there, once you've figured out items that you want to sell, once you've figured out the research and the platform that you want to do your research and figure out how to get your items to sell there and how to list on the platforms. Once you've started kind of that whole process, get into building consistency. And depending on where you are in your life, this may be 1 hour a week I can dedicate to this. 1 listing a week I can do. But building the consistency is going to allow you to grow, because just finding one item, listing one item, and getting one item to sell, if you do that for a year, that's 52 items that you sold. That's 52 items that you had not sold the year before. And that is information that you are learning and you're growing and you are getting better. And then once you have the consistency, what used to take you an hour is now going to take you a half an hour. And now maybe you can do 2 items. If you guys like this video and you want to learn more, make sure to subscribe. Consider joining my membership so that you can learn how, or you can support more content like this. Like, save, and share so other people can see this video as well.